Columbus got his first glimpse of cacao beans during a stopover in Nicaragua. The year was 1502. Lots has happened since then. Today, cacao is a fast-growing, ever more competitive industry.
Escolhemos o sistema Ellepot porque o custo de preenchimento manual de sacolas plásticas para a produção de muda de cacau é muito elevado.
Cost-effective. The Ellepot system allows us to make a better quality seedling at the cost of 20% cheaper.
Utilizando Ellepot hemos logrado usar menos agua, menos sustrato y optimizar el espacio dentro del vivero.
We optimize the workforce by relocating our resources to more productive activities, and the refill is being done with the Ellepot system mechanically. Higher productivity.
Utilizando Ellepot hemos logrado incrementar un 15% en el rendimiento de siembra.
Degradable paper. Higher performance rate. We have experienced rooting improvement of our seedlings in the nursery. And while planting out, we have performed better, having a greater survival of seedlings in the field. Prepare now, in the present, based on 25 years of experience and a glimpse into the future. Ellepot, like a chocolate in a box, perfect in its place. Let's shape this century of the cacao industry together.